Madrid. See you next time and have a nice trip. Over, out.
Muchas gracias. Hasta la próxima. Make my day out.
Gracias. Adiós.
Huh?
Why do we need now?
Because there's no wind. It's easy to get off the dock. When the wind starts to come, you're also welcome. Bye.
Oh, no te vayas. Gracias, amiga. Next time.
Hasta la próxima.
You need something? Let me know. Okay? Thank you for everything.
Gracias.
Buen marinero.
Okay.
Adiós, amigos.
Adiós, amiga.
Sí, muchas gracias.
De nada, os quiero.
Hasta la próxima.
Adiós. I'm going to take.
Yeah, send it.
Send it to us, please.
Mira. Ahora.
Adios. It's sad. We left the Marina Motville after 4 months. It's been our home. Oh, I cried a little bit. Just ready for the next step. Getting all the bumpers.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There we need to go. Bye bye, Motville. Right now. The sun is shining. Not much wind now. There will be more wind. We're sailing.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, and our wind meter gives errors every time. The plotter was not doing great.
Well, the plotter's okay. Seems to
Now,
be.
now it is again. Did crazy shit.
Motor shaft.
The motor shift
Yeah.
getting hot. So no wind meter. So we have to look at the flag. Going downwind. Only with the channel up, with the pole out. It's beautiful weather.
It's nice weather.
To wait if we see some dolphins. It will make you happy.
Sure.
There it was. So how was this trip?
Shitty.
What?
Worst first sail ever. Why? Because a lot of stupid things. Didn't test a lot of things that were done on the boat before leaving. Didn't test it with the new shaft. Shaft is overheating. Well, the shaft in the shaft packing is overheating in the stern blade. The other autopilot that we installed, we didn't test it before we left, and it doesn't work worth a shit. So we're having to steer by hand. What else? What else was there? There was a whole bunch of shit that just suck. No wind, trying to get out of here, going against the current. Fucking miserable.
Yeah, but we see the rock. So I didn't film that much
No.
because
It was.
we have to hand steer
Yeah.
and we have to sleep too.
My shoulders are sore. This is miserable trying to steer this because you're going downwind with just the Genoa on a pole, and you got a current going against you. You got very little wind. When the wind picked up, it got a lot better, but it didn't pick up much for long. When you would have 15 or 20 knots, then it was just fine. You could steer. But now the waves are just pushing us all over the place. It's just miserable to try to steer, and you got confused seas.
And dolphins.
And all. Another thing that happened on this trip is the wind meter became very erratic and died for some time. So we added all these little flags so we could see where the wind was coming from. Even lowered the Nederland's flag very, hang on, try to get out of it. Nederland's flag very low. But now, it decided to start working again. You tell me. Autopilot, not good. It was so crazy with all the electronics and stuff last night not working and whatever. We went back to old school and used the compass. The chart plotter works, so that's okay. But it's kind of hard to steer a course via the chart plotter, so we're steering courses via the compass. There's Leontine. She's steering a course by hand still.
Trying not to hit all the big ships here.
Yeah, there's a big ship out there.
Like a rock.
Or the Rock of Gibraltar. Rock of Gibraltar. There's Leontine. Steering by hand.
Just awake.
Yeah. It's been a rough first trip. It's not like last year. Last year's first trip was
Also to Gibraltar.
also to Gibraltar, but it was really good. It was also only with a Genoa.
Yeah.
Didn't even use the pole.
And no missing.
No, and
We
that
used
one-
the missing a little bit.
Yeah, but that went nice last year. But coming in because we had the current with us, so that
I
was.
think we've got current with us now too.
But not like we had last year.
No,
We were flying in at 9 knots.
I think the current in is harder than getting out.
Yeah, and that's what we come across that stops us.
Ashika. In front of the rock. Big rock. There was one under the water there. There you are. In front of the rock. Daar was jij wel. Even jumpen. Doe even een jump. Oh. Back in La Linea on anchor, and I see already some drops of rain. We left the tropical Costa No rainy motel for a long time.
Costa Tropical.
Costa Tropical, see. And now we're on Costa.
Other side.
Other side is Del Sol.
Del Sol.
Yeah, what's this?
This
El Pleu? Wat is regen in het Spaans? Costa del Lluvia. Leaving the anchor spot. We're trying to calibrate the autopilot what wasn't working correctly. The new autopilot. So we have to make a few laps. See if that's working or not, and then we're going later into the harbor here. At least that's the plan.
Anchor's up. Time to go do a sea trial to the autopilot.
Boat is steering all by himself.
Learning 6. Learning 7. Turning, changing direction, learning 8. You better move because we're coming your way.
Making laps to the other side.
Yeah. Learn pass. Okay. Learn pass. Says we got it. Now, put yourself on a course and press auto.
Yeah, let's go out.
These two don't match anymore. That's kind of
Heading.
fun.
Course over crowd 282. 260 I am at.
Huh?
260 I'm at.
He says 313.
That's not good. I'm on 245 now.
Alright, so maybe I need to work on the heading again. 233?
Yeah.
Okay.
$230.
I got 232.
Ja, ietsjes meer.
Yeah?
Ja.
Alright. You want to try it now?
Ja.
Auto.
Auto.
Why is he going way over there? 233. It ain't working.
No. Turn it off.
I turned it off.
So the old one is back in.
Old one's back in. So,
See if that's still working.
for real, yeah.